how to make phone calls on iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make phone calls on an iPhone, whether you're a new iPhone user or just need a refresher. I've got you covered, so let's get started. The easiest way to make a call is by dialing the number manually. Just open the phone app, tap the keypad tab at the bottom. Now simply enter the phone number you want to call. Once you've done that, simply tap on the green call button to start the call like this. And that's it. Now you're making a call. Now if the person is saved in your contacts, you can call them directly. Just go to contacts tab. Here you can simply search or scroll to find the contact that you want to call. Just tap on the contact's name. For example, let's say here you can simply tap the call icon to start the call. This method saves you from typing numbers every time. And that's it. Now you know how to simply make phone call on your iPhone.